Easily enable developer tools in Safari on Mac. First, open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the Safari option in the menu bar. Click on Safari. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. A new window will open, showing various tabs such as General, Tabs, Autofill, and more. Next, look at the far right of the Settings window. Then click on the Advanced tab. This section contains Safari's developer and experimental options. At the bottom of the Advanced tab, you'll find an option labeled Show Features for Web Developers. Check this box. Once you enable it, you'll immediately notice a new developer menu appear at the top of the Settings window, right next to the Advanced tab. You can explore the developer section for deeper controls like automation, security, and privacy. And that's it.